You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 29x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -36. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -1.